All right, y'all. Saturday. Just finished a chest workout at the gym. Now, time to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna show you guys another recipe that you can make with rotisserie chicken. This one's gonna be very quick, delicious, and you're gonna like it a lot. So let's go shopping. All right, so we're at Costco. I'm gonna show you what we got in the cart. Some things we're gonna use for the recipe, and then we got other stuff that I'm just filling up, getting a refill on. We got some egg whites. This is gonna be good. Some feta cheese. I like feta cheese. And then for today's recipe, we're gonna use sourdough bread. Huge fan of sourdough. Don't have a whole lot of bread, but sourdough is really bomb. Tastes amazing. Some bananas, help with the cramping. Obviously some rotisserie chickens. And like we said in the past, you know they're good when the tits are touching the top. All right, everyone, welcome back. We're back in the kitchen. I'm gonna go over this week's recipe with rotisserie chicken. So what we're making is a sourdough hummus rotisserie chicken sandwich. Very simple. Probably gonna take us about 5 minutes just because we're gonna toast the bread a little bit because I like my buns toasted. If you don't like your buns toasted, that's okay. You can have them untoasted, but I like mine toasted, so we're gonna toast these buns. Just gonna quickly go over the rest of the ingredients that we're gonna use today. Number one, obviously we got that chicken. Take a look. So you know it's good when the tits are touching the top. Got a lot of breasts to work with. Second, we're gonna use sourdough bread. Okay, I like sourdough. If you guys don't like sourdough, you could use a different type of bread. This is just what I prefer. Tastes great, by the way. So I think it's a healthier option than just using white bread. It's some wheats. So sourdough bread is what we're gonna be using, and then we're gonna put some hummus. I like using this one. It's called it's kind of dark. It's called Sabra organic hummus. You can pick this up at Costco. This is where I picked it up. I already had it, so I didn't go shopping for it. And then spinach leaves. So we're just gonna get a handful, wash them, and then put it in our sandwich. So let's put it all together. So first thing, I'm gonna turn on my toaster oven, get that going so it's nice and hot. I have the temperature all the way up, so it's there, and we wanna make sure we're baking. Next thing, I'm gonna grab a handful of spinach from our spinach bag. Nothing too crazy because it's gonna go on a sandwich, but quite a bit. Just gonna put it in, just like that. And wash it. All right, so the spinach leaves are washed. We're gonna go ahead and chop up the rotisserie chicken while the buns are still toasted. So let's go ahead and get that started. Open it up, like we've been doing it. Got the chicken right here. And we're gonna get about 8 ounces of chicken. Alright, let me show you what we got. It's about 8 ounces of chicken, and we're gonna put that onto our buns when they're ready. Alright, so it looks like the buns are kind of ready, so let's pull them out of the toaster oven. So if you see right there, it's a nice golden brown. That's what I like. That's my type. That's my type. I'm gonna go put it on there. These buns can do something I can never do during the summertime. Get tan. Maybe one day. All right, so now what we're gonna do is put everything together. We got our buns. We got our buns right here, nice and toasted. And what we're gonna do now is grab our hummus and then, get some of this spread so we can put it on the buns. So you're just gonna go left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left, right. Then we're gonna do the same with the other one. Left, left, right, left, left, right. Cool. Now that we have that all set up, we're gonna go ahead and get our washed spinach leaves and put it on the bun. And then we're gonna grab our chicken, rotisserie chicken, and layer it on top. So we can do a better demonstration. And here we go. Very simple, very fast. Doesn't take a lot of time. Tastes great. Excellent for the gains. Has about 45 grams of protein. This is what this looks like. Spinach leaves, rotisserie chicken, and we got sourdough bread with a little bit of hummus. Boom. Now we're just gonna slice it down the middle. Voila. Rotisserie chicken hummus sandwich. It tastes great. 45 grams, 45 to 46 grams of protein.
So you guys talking about protein? I love protein.
You know you love protein. Protein rock.
We have about 8 ounces of chicken in here. A handful of spinach leaves. It's pretty low on carbs. With each loaf of sourdough bread, it only has 19 grams of carbs, so you're getting about 38 grams of carbs. Not too bad, especially if you're working out, moving regularly. You know, you want to have your carbs when you have them early in the day, preferably, or if you work out later in the day, you know, right before you head into your training session is a good time to have your carbs. One of my mentors always told me, he's all like, carbs are good. You just don't wanna, you wanna limit the amount of carbs you have later in the day and have them early, because that's when you're gonna use them. That's especially true if you train in the morning. You wanna have your carbs early in the morning so you can, because that's when you're gonna use them. And you go through them, you deplete them, so because they're readily available. So this is today's recipe. Very simple to make. Probably took me like 5 minutes prep time, and that's because I had to toast the buns. If you don't like toasting your buns, then it's even faster. Probably takes like 2 minutes. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.
Oh yeah.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.